So now as the basics are over, so what we are going to do now is to load some images into Google Earth Engine. So like this is the image, so this is the image ID. So how I will get it, I have get it, I will share it later, but this is the image. So what we can do, we can map is the map interface, then add layer, that adding the layer. So we can get the details here, like in the documents tab. If we write here dot add map.add layer, map.add layer. So here it is the thing. Here is the details about is the EE object is in there, and these are like, see, these are in bold form and these are in italic form. So bold form are important, and that is necessary for to run this command, and these all are these italic things are not necessary. We can specify them or we cannot do. Like here the EE object, so EE image, so is this the Earth Engine object that's in the cloud optimized format, that's saved in the cloud. So we are fetching this image from the cloud from this ID. So here is the add.map layer. So if we run this, so the layer is being added, but we cannot see it, it's here. Wait, so it's being added. So but let's suppose where we are here, so we don't know where it is, we have loaded it but we cannot see it. So what can we do? Here map dot center object, there are two functions, one is set center and another is center object. Center object centers the object into any object that centers around the screen around it. So IMD, so if we run this now, so it will be zoomed automatically to where the image is, but the now image is black. So what we will do, we will go to the layer panel and change the visualization parameters. Okay, there are visualization parameter were there, but we haven't specified it here. We have used just the EE object. So now here we have to specify it. So let's take, this is the Landsat image. So how can we know about that image? Like this one, Landsat one. I'm copying this one here. So this is the collection. So here are the band details. Like we will use the true color composite, that is red, green and blue. So 432. So we will be using that one. 4, 3 and 2. So now apply. Nothing much happened because we haven't stretched the histogram of the image. So we are doing 98% stretch, and now if we see, so we will get a better image. So see, this is a 10-meter resolution image. My home is here, somewhere here, like my home is in Adra, so that's in Purulia district here near Lunathpur. Here I am. So that's how you load the image, and you can see this like opacity you can change here. So but if we run it now again, then it will not be saved, it will come automatically. So what can we do? We have to fix the parameter 4, 3 and 2 for true color and the 98% stretch as we are liking it. So we will do import it. So it's being imported as image visual parameter. So now we will add image, like these are the functions we can use: visual parameter, name, zone, opacity. So like we will use these two. E object is there, then visual parameter and name. So what we can do, like with comma, and what I will select, this is the image visual parameter IM, and it will fill automatically. Like I have written IM, then space control plus space ctrl plus space, it will get automatically from this as it's being saved as variable. Then I will write an string like my home. So now this is, now the layer is being named as my home, and this is the image. So we can know whatever the properties, like the printing, print now, print image. So let's see, this is the image. So now see the structure, how Earth Engine has told it. It's in the dictionary format, like whatever we have studied in the last videos. Like there is a type is the image, there is a ID. So ID is here land slash LC08, that's Landsat 8 image. So like this is the ID, then version, then bands are here. So these bands are available, and then this is very important, all the metadata properties also being stored here. Like cloud cover is 0, so I have selected, that's why the image which has cloud cover 0. So we will get everything from here. So let's get rid of it. Now let's work with another image. So So this is the image that I am fetching another image. Now I am defining the visual parameters. Like here the visual parameters were defined manually after the loading the image. Here I am giving some values, like I will select single band. So this is for this image, for this collection, that band 01 is ultra blue coastal aerosol band. So I am using this one here. So, mm, so the band I am selecting, the mean and max value also. Now adding this layer. So okay, this layer is not here. I think this will be here. So you can use that map.center object to get to that area directly automatically. So from that visual parameters we are getting that band and also. So this is the image. Although the visualization is not looking that good, so I will customize it like this one. This is better. So you can define like this also 6667, and like this is 6000, and this is 9600. So it will get automatically fetched from there. You don't have to do it manually, or you can import it as a visual parameter, then visualize it like this one. Like, yeah, I like this visualization, so I'm importing this one. So image visparam 3 is being saved, so I will write image visparam 3, this one. The 6000 to 9, I have done it twice, I don't know, so it doesn't matter. So it will get fetched from there. Okay, so now we can similarly print the dataset and print its date, like dot date. So it gives you the date. It's a e date part engine date, we will discuss it later. Like, and then there is the collection, all the image details. Then we want to get that this is a DN number value, so that's why we are getting the values like this one, 6000 to 9000. That, like, if we don't select this one, then it will get the whole range, and image stored into 65,000 0 to 0. But this is a DN value. So but what we need is to surface restrictance value. So to get this surface restrictance, we have to multiply with the scaling factor. So how will we get the scaling factor? Like this image has scaling factor like this band. This band has, wait, let me open into new tab. So here, this is the scaling factor. So we are multiplying by this, and we have to do an offset also, but I am not doing this. I am multiplying the scaling factor. So if you get it, the scaling factor, it will give us now if we print it, like, again, now the visual parameter is being changed. Oh, sorry. So now the visual parameter is also changed. So now the values are in between 0 to 0.3. And oh, sorry, I haven't added this layer. So from this visual param 2, we are defining here, and this is the image. Although I don't like the visualization, so let's see the value. What happened? Oh, now this one is looking nice. So this one is looking nice. So the values are between 0.19 and 30. Okay, that's it. So now it's a very better visualization. So that's it. Now we can do the similar thing with sentinel image also. Like, I don't know where it is. Oh, this two image, where it is. Oh, see, this is the sentinel image. It's a 10-meter resolution image. Okay, so let's make it a little better. So 0.59, sorry, and it's, wait, and now it's looking good. 169, so 17. It's depend on the image and how much area you are seeing. The computation is happening on the screen, whichever is visible here, from there is the computation is happening. Like these images are loading automatically, so we can, there is an option to zone, that is a zone I will write as false, so it will not load automatically. We can do this same thing here also while loading this coastal band. So it will not load automatically, so that's being disabled. So only this image will load. What happened? 0.59, sorry, I have defined it wrongly. So it is 0.06. 0.0606. Now it will look good. So this is a 10-meter resolution image, so it's very high quality image. And consistency, that's a big thing. Like here in Kolkata, you can see this is the Howrah station. The 10-meter resolution image, very good. You can do it manually. See, this is the Howrah station, and no, this is not Howrah station. This is Howrah station. Yeah, this is Howrah station. And this is Howrah Bridge. Yo, this is the city of joy. Chalo, thank you.